16 amazing health benefits for licorice tea to boost your immune system. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Warning. Please note that if you drink too much licorice tea you can become dehydrated, so please make sure that you drink plenty of water when you are taking this tea. 16 amazing health benefits for licorice tea to boost your immune system. Antioxidants. Antispasmodic. Helps lower blood pressure. Helps treat arthritis. Helps treat colds and flus. Treats indigestion. Reduces menstrual pain. Treats respiratory infections. Improves dry skin. Helps with seizure disorders. Boost immune system. Helps maintain liver function. Helps maintain kidney function. Relieves anxiety. Helps with depression. Relieves stress. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.